Whoa, wait, what? What was that?
Chippy the chipmunk nearly dropped his acorn. His eyes wide as saucers, he scrambled up to the edge of the dock, peering down.
A giant net? Is it full of fish?
More than just fish, Chippy. Much more.
What kind of more are we talking about? Like something
Like and
treasure?
subscribe to our
A
channel.
giant sea monster?
Something even more interesting, I think. Something that teaches us about choices.
But what is all this stuff? And why is that one wiggling?
We're gonna sort it all out, Chippy. We'll find what's good and useful.
Okay, what about that? It looks like a sparkly shoe.
What do you think, Chippy? Is this sparkly shoe good for anything now?
No, it's pretty, but it's definitely not a good shoe anymore.
And what about this carrot?
Oh, that's a good one. You could eat that. Or make a carrot cake.
And so the great sorting began.
Maybe someone lost this message and will be happy to get it back. Okay, but this, it's not bad, not good, it's just soggy.
What makes something useful, Chippy? And what happens to things that aren't? Exactly. And sometimes, things that don't help, or even hurt, need to be set aside.
Whoa, what was that? It was huge. A wagon wheel? How did that just get in the sea?
Do you think this wheel is useful, Chippy?
Not anymore. Maybe it was useful once, but now it's just old and broken.
The piles were growing.
This line isn't good. It could hurt someone.
Sometimes, things that seem small can cause a lot of trouble.
It just feels a little sad, leaving all these things out. Don't they get another chance?
Just like these things in the net, some choices are good and some are not. And sometimes, things that are broken or dangerous just can't be fixed.
Okay, but this is tricky. The empty shell is pretty, but it's not useful. And the apple is good inside, but it's all muddy on the outside. Where do they go?
What do you think we can do with this apple?
We could wash it. Then it would be good to eat.
See? Sometimes things look not so good on the outside, but with a little care, they can become truly good again. And this beautiful shell? It's not useful for food, but it might be useful for something else.
Like a decoration? Or for a hermit crab to live in?
Exactly. We can always look for the good in something, even if it's not what we first expect. But some things, like the broken glass or the tangled line, are truly not good and can cause harm.
How do you even know if you're sorting it right? What if you accidentally put a good thing in the bad pile, or a bad thing in the good pile, forever?
He knows what's truly good and what's not, deep down inside our hearts, even when we make mistakes.
Whoa, what was that?
Sometimes, the most precious things are hidden until the very end.
Is this what you meant about God knowing what's truly good?
Yes, Chippy. Just like we sorted the net, God will one day sort everyone. He sees who has a good heart, full of kindness and love, and who chooses things that hurt themselves or others.
It was a comforting thought, but a big one.
So the good stuff, like the clean apple and the pearl, goes with God?
That's right. Those who choose love and kindness will be with God. And those who choose things that are harmful, like broken glass or tangled lines, will separate themselves.
So, if God sorts everyone, how do we make sure we end up in the good pile? Is it just about what we do?
God sees if our hearts are truly seeking to be kind and loving.
Achoo. So even if I accidentally mess up sometimes, if my heart wants to be good, God knows.
Exactly. He knows our true intentions. He wants us to choose kindness, to choose love, and to try our best to be good, even when it's hard.
God isn't looking for perfect, but for a willing heart.
So it's like choosing which pile to be in, with my heart.
Yes. Every kind word, every helpful action, every time you choose love over anger, you're filling your own net with goodness.
It's a bit like taking care of my own little garden, making sure the good seeds grow.
A very good way to think about it, Chip.
It feels like such a big responsibility, making sure my net is full of good things. What if I mess up?